I'm sending this message to young Stana from straight from my Twitch saying the other day I sent you a DM saying, can I have your number so I can talk to you? It was strictly about gaming, by the way. I'm not trying to get a feature. So you mised me as my bro. But it's fine. Because Nkulunkulu is gonna izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So Casper Nyovest expose young Stana ngokuthi uhlezi DM and he doesn't reply to his DMs. So uyasho ukuthi hayi man ngihlala ngik-DM and uyangimayiza or awunginaki, and lento ngifuna ukutshela yona ibalulekile. It's about music. It's very important. So I don't know why ungimayiza, I don't know why ignore, and people started making fun of Casper Nyovest saying ukuthi ukumayiza ngalendlela nawo umayiza ngakhona uMacG noSoul Phenduka, ukumayiza ngalendlela wena wamayiza uSoul Phenduka ngalesikhathi athi Nyoviolis, I love you man, kanti nawe bayakumayiza. So people said ukuthi hayibo kanti wena uyeva buhlungu abakumayiza, but wena nawe labanye abantu uyakhona ukubamayiza okungabe indaba zalutho. I think ngenteka ukuthi uyangistana akawaboni ma-DM akhe, since ama-celebrities wena ukuthi they receive like incwaba yama-DMs, probably like he doesn't see his DMs. So yena now uta ku-public platform acting as if mhlampe uyangistana une-beef naye. Because if uze ukhona ukuya ku-public platform, then it means ukuthi you are now saying ukuthi that person une-beef nawe, that's why azangaphenduli ma-DM akho. Kanti kuthole ukuthi nje na guy akawaboni ma-DM because mhlawumbe will receive like a lot of DMs ngelilanga, not even ngeliviki, ngelilanga. So people are saying nje ukuthi hey, there was no need for this video because now ufuna kwenda ngazuthi uyangistana umuntu lo mubi, kanti ngenteka ukuthi akawaboni nokwabona ngisho ma-DM akho. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.